Hey guys, I was doing KW here. We're here at the Quality Inn in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and I guess let's call this our budget hotel series that I'm doing on the channel. We kicked off the series with the Super 8 Chambersburg, PA. Let's see how this compares, room-wise and cleanliness-wise. So let's go take a look at the door. Security department's good. Format. Quality Inn. Pause if you want to read that. Here's our sink area. Right here. Light. Hair dryer, coffee maker. Bathroom's occupied as usual. Thing to note about the bathroom, the shower curtain was dirty, but but they brought me up a new one, so no big deal. And here we have a wardrobe with an iron board with no iron, it seems like, and some hangers. That's right, we're not using that. That's okay. We got a lamp. We got a chair. We are rolling 2 queen beds here. So that's nice. We got a nice size mini fridge. A 32-inch Samsung TV's a newer one, which is nice. We have a dirty this microwave is dirty. Microwave needs to be cleaned. It was like that when we checked in. Minus point. We got a desk. Nice desk chair, not all marked up. The furniture's not too bad either. We got a desk with outlets, which I like. We got our Amana thermostat we got our Amana P-TAC with the digital thermostat. This works great. Here's our view of the country inn of Lancaster next door. If you look right there where I am pointing, that's the Avid that we stayed at a couple weeks ago. Go check that video out if you haven't seen that. This window does open with the screen. So here's the beds are actually pretty nice. Mattresses seem new. This room is fairly updated, as you can see. Over here, here's a nightstand. And here's our lamp with some more outlets. We got a clock, phone. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. One thing to note, when I came here last night, their system was down, and they still gave me the room. I have to go pay before I check out today, but that's one thing. The shower curtain was dirty, but they swapped that out. The carpet could be vacuumed better, like little stuff like that. It could be vacuumed better. We did have a towel with a stain on it. So housekeeping could be a little bit improved, but once again, the beds were clean. So didn't need to concentrate in those areas, the one I just said. But yeah, you gotta keep your mindset that you are in a budget hotel. I think it was only like $47 a night. I only paid like $52 after tax for this room, so it could be a lot worse. The bed's clean, the shower's clean. Besides the shower curtain, which they swapped out. That's all I really care about. The 2 things is the bed being clean and the shower, so it has that. The room is fairly updated, so if you're in Lancaster, PA, looking for a cheap budget option, Quality in Lancaster could be your place. And if you're sensitive to a weed smell, always did smell like marijuana from the people staying here, so give you a heads up on that. Take one more pan of the room. and we'll probably see you again with part 2 of our Lancaster Budget Hotel series. OW out. We'll recommend this hotel.